been wanting to do this unboxing since last week, but I haven't had the time and I'm super busy this week as well, but I thought I'll just quickly open it up. I actually haven't seen it yet. Yeah, so we're unboxing something from Eco Husk. Go check them out. They're a local small business. The lady who is running this is vegan as well. Yay. Okay, let's see what's inside. Hello, Harley Clinton. Hello, Skylark. And hello, LH Tan. Okay. Get my cutter. No, I think my scissors will do. Ooh, I think I need a cutter for this. Hold on, let me get a cutter. Here we go. I'm not sure whether I think I should just open it up from here then. Does it feel like Christmas? Oh, 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 look. Cool. Okay, I'll take it out. Oh, nice. Oh, check it out. Wow. I can make my matcha lattes or my moringa lattes or my beetroot lattes. Here you go. And here you go. Oh, so nice. Here you go. That's what it is. There's also a little note. Let's see. Hello, Jack. How are you? Check out Hojak, guys. The things are amazing. Ooh. Oh! Oh! This guy is so cute. He's got like... Can you see? He's got a 3D effect. Yeah. There's a butterfly and there is... Is this like a medal? Yeah, but so pretty. Oh, it's handmade in Korea, that's why. Okay, let me read this first. Oh, aw, so sweet. Dear Chefin, thank you so much for your kind support towards local small business Eco Husk. I truly appreciate your effort in making and presenting the beauty behind vegan food. You are a kind and beautiful soul, inspiring many. Oh, may you be happy and stay healthy. Oh, so sweet. This is like so sweet. I haven't met her before, but yeah. Ooh, so let's check out. This is the rice husk lunchbox. Yeah, by Eco Husk. So it says built to last from BPA-free bio-based compound rice husk. Come with leak-proof silicone seal, making it perfect for meals, picnics, and even wet foods. Products contain a pair of chopsticks, a spoon, and a napkin storage tray. Everything you need to enjoy your healthy meal. It's BPA free. This product is made by bio-based materials certified by USDA Bio Preferred program. I'm like, wow, this would be so cool to take, you know, like when we used to have vegan festivals. Yeah, and this would be like really cool to bring it over there. Yeah. Ojia says, hi, Shafi. It's been a while. I know, right? Oh my god, it's been ages and ages and ages. Hello, Parita Modi. Yeah. Anyway. Oh, I'm trying to read this, but the writing is a bit small. GA Kids Edutainment Mascots, aka Eco Ambassadors. How do you pronounce this? Titoy? Taitoy? Okay, never mind. I won't pronounce it because it's too hard for me to read. It's small. Every time they send me packages, I'm like, why the words so small? Okay, so you can microwave. I've said that I do not microwave any of my food. Is dishwasher safe? I do not have a dishwasher right now. I wish I did. It's freezer safe. Yay! It's you can put negative 30 Celsius to 120 Celsius. Oh, very good. So the weight is 408 grams. Dimensions is 220 times 135 times 75 mm. And material is bio-based compound rice husk. Product name, this is the rice husk lunchbox, non-toxic and BPA free, made of bio-based compound rice husk, easy clean, grease proof and leak proof, naturally antibacterial property, dishwasher safe, freezer safe. Yeah, do not microwave or oven with silicone seal. Yeah, remove the silicone seal before placing in microwave or oven. Reheat for more than 3 minutes. Reheat on microwave. Okay. Ooh, okay. So let's open this up so you can see what it looks like. Oh, these are the mascots, Taito and Tai-Toy. I don't know, Titoy, Tai-Toy. I have no idea. Okay, so here, ooh, very pretty, nice colors. I like this one. This one is pink. Yee. Okay, so so this, I think this has moved. This should be here. Yeah. Oh, I should just show you this. Ooh. And then chopsticks. Oh, goody goody. I can use them in my photos. This is awesome. Oh, look at the fork. Yeah. Very, very cute. Yeah. Look at the design. And then you open this part up, and then you can put your rice, and you can put your tempeh. You can put your cauliflower rice because we're raw, right? And then you can put your tempeh because I teach how to make tempeh classes, right? And then you can put your kimchi, which the combination doesn't make sense, but yeah. No, I think you can put the rice. And my lemongrass cauliflower, which I just made, and then all my veggies here. Yeah. And there you go. That's your lunchbox. Let's open the other one and see what the color's like. Okay. Ooh. The spoon moved again. How come, huh? Is it because it's a bit more loose? Or they didn't press it in. Because now it's pressed in, then it's not moving anymore. Yeah. Yeah. So yeah. This is the pinkish one. And that's how it looks like. And then they have a cup. And they also have a bag. Okay, let's see if it fits into the bag. Oh! It should. Okay, so this closes back. And then we'll put it inside the bag. And then this is not keep cup, but it's cup. And then we're off. Ta-da! Hello, Lucille. Okay, so thank you so much, Eco Husk, for sending this through. And guys, check it out if you're in Malaysia. Yeah, they are a local business. So support local businesses. And she's also vegan. So you're supporting another vegan as well. Yay! Alrighty. Hello, Ayur Fab. Okay, I'm gonna go and I'm stopping this now because I need to end this now because I need to go and make my lunch. But thanks so much for joining me, and I'll see you in another one. Bye bye.